Do you remember the last time I had this drink?
At the Chicago O'Hare Airport?
Absolutely, and it was complete garbage. Pineapple juice, orange juice, and maybe a smidge of mint and rum. Well, today I want to do it justice. We're going to do the Mai Tai.
So Carl, why'd you pick this cocktail to kick off Plantation Week?
Well, it is tropical. It's rum, mint, and lime. How can you really go wrong with any of those ingredients?
Fair point.
And there's a lot of different variations of this. Split the sugar, Orgeat, and Demerara Syrup, which we went ahead and did because I have an obsession with Demerara Syrup, so why not? So since we are going to do Plantation Week, which means Friday's episode, we are going to try all the plantation rums that we can get our hands on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them.
8 of them, and do a daiquiri. So we decided to try 2 different rums. We chose the Fiji, and what was the other rum that we did?
The Xaymaca.
For this cocktail. We've never tried it before. We decided,
why
can't
not?
be bad. And those were pretty good rums.
Yes.
But yeah, at the airport, like I said, it was just all juices. It was 7:30 in the morning, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I paid $16 or $19 for it.
You paid $19 for that?
We were on vacation.
It was P.F. Chang's or whatever. Not P.F. Chang's.
Wolfgang.
Oh, it was Wolfgang Putt, so I guess it kind of makes sense, but
you're gonna put your name on it. Yeah, so the bartender didn't know what he was doing, or he just didn't care.
Or that was their recipe and it's garbage.
That is true too. But I did see the woman next to us. She ordered a mojito and there was no mint in that. So that should tip me off of this is going to be a horrible cocktail.
But you decided to order it.
I'm excited to try this one, see how these rums blend together. We haven't blended these two yet together, so.
Oh, we probably have.
Maybe, maybe. All right, so let's go ahead and try this Mai Tai. Don't forget when you put your straw, put it close to the mint so your nose is. And it's super good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can't really go too wrong. There is definitely a little funkiness in here, but
yes,
that's definitely because of the rum we chose.
Yes, I think one of the rums is giving it kind of like a funky, burnt plasticky taste.
Okay.
But it's still delicious.
Right. I like it a lot. I think we're just gonna have to try a bunch of different Mai Tais with the different rum combinations in here. And the dry curacao that we use, you can definitely taste that in there.
I might like a sweeter.
Yeah.
Like a triple sec or a Contro.
Yeah, I can see that. Maybe just the right pairing with the right rum. Each of the curacao would work better.
Yeah, I think I'd like just a little bit more of the sweetness from it.
Yeah, because I remember, right, the Xaymaca is already pretty dry.
Yeah.
Rum, so using that dry curacao is probably enhancing that a little bit or amplifying that.
I mean, all that goes to say it's still a fantastic cocktail, and that's why it's fun to play around with these things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Now we know exactly what this one tastes like. Not mad about it. Fun cocktail. A lot of people have tried this. If you haven't tried it, it's super easy to make. 2 ounces of rum, 3/4, triple sec, ounce lime juice, and ½ ounce of sugar. Yep, whatever sugar you want to use.
Yep, and if you make it that way, there's not really a way for you to go wrong.
Right, exactly. And then don't forget about our sponsor of this video, us. We're 2 more weeks out from shipping out our coasters. These are the prototypes. I'm on my last set. Buying those coasters, support our channel and support our fun times that we have with everyone. Go ahead and use the discount code COASTERS down in the description to get 10% off. I will ship these worldwide. It is free shipping in the United States. We appreciate any support for us. Don't forget, this Friday we are doing 8 different plantation rums and daiquiris. We chose a daiquiri because it's the simplest cocktail that uses rum.
Yep, it's very simple, and the differences between rums is very easy to distinguish.
Mm-hmm. Yep, you can't really hide behind it. Definitely try Mai Tai. Let us know what version you like to drink, what rums you like to use in it. Thanks everyone for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.